Today we're going to have the TRX farm here, and we're going to be seeing how well this $4 little servo does in the water, because it never says if it's waterproof. The thing that concerns me is there's no seal around the wires. It's just open, so let's hope it performs well at the price. Alright, let's go. There will be a link in the description for this servo for your TRX farm. No problem so far. Works great. Overall, great little servo. Better than all the other junky ones I bought. It's metal geared. Everything you need. Quick enough. Smooth. Perfect little servo. $4. Totally worth it. Like and subscribe. Link in the description.